Welcome to Montcalm Community College. In this video, we're going to walk you through setting up your new MCC account. To set up your account for the first time, follow the self-service reset link sent in the welcome email sent to your personal email account, or go to the Get Started section of MCC's website under the Access Your Account area. Once you're at the password reset page, enter your MCC email address, which is listed in the welcome email. Then, enter the CAPTCHA code and click Next. Then select I forgot my password and click Next. Select Email my alternate email and click Email. Then check your personal email and enter the verification code you were sent. If you do not see the email, please check your spam or junk folders. Next, select Text my mobile phone. Type your phone number, including the area code. Then check your phone, enter the verification code you were sent, and click Next. Now, create your new password using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one symbol. Re-enter this password in the second field and then click Finish. Lastly, we recommend that you add Microsoft Authenticator as an additional sign-in method. To add Microsoft Authenticator, download the app on your phone and then enter the Profile section in the upper right-hand corner of the My Applications page. Enter the My Account area, enter Update Info under the Security Info section, and then click on Add Sign-in Method. From here, follow the steps on your phone and the screen to add your device. You should now be all set to securely access your MCC account. Feel free to bookmark this page in your browser for easier access in the future. And if you have any difficulties accessing your account, please contact MCC's IT Service Desk for assistance at servicedesk@montcalm.edu or 989-328-1246.